Hello everyone, I'm Sai Gandhi and I'm from Mission Institute of Technology, and now I'm going to answer the questions from Node.js interview questions. Basically, it is in the instructions. So, I'm going to answer the questions. First of all, I'll open the questions. I have screenshotted it. So, yes. Yeah, these are the questions basically. First one, first question is what is Node.js and how is different from other server-side technologies like APAC and PHP? So basically, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment or JavaScript runtime built in on a Chrome's server that will run the JavaScript code on the server basically, the nothing but in the Chrome. Unlike PHP, Node.js uses a event-driven non-blocking architecture, making it efficient for handling multiple concurrent requests. So this is the basic difference between the Node.js and the other server-side technologies like PHP kind thing. And the next question asked is what is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? Basically, a callback is a function passed as an argument to another function. So, because whenever execution a task completes, then they are used in asynchronous operations like what are called reading or database calls to avoid blocking main thread. So basically this one. What is the purpose of the package.json in a Node.js project? Can you explain key properties found in this file? So basically package.json that basically manages the project's metadata. Metadata is refers to basically the name, versions and scripts, dependencies and development dependencies. All these are called metadata that will not be shown. That is a hidden data or the abstract data, whatever it we call. So that will be managed by package.json file. And the next question is a difference between require and import in Node.js when to use. So basically, I think require is used in common JS, and this import call, this is used in ES modules. They are used in common JS modules, and these import statements are used in ES modules. So in traditional Node.js projects, we use that require thing, and we now we in this modern and what are called new age full stack development or new age JavaScript program. So we will use this ES module type of concept. So we use import keyword instead of that require keyword basically. So what is the middleware in Express.js? Explain the usage. So basically, middleware is nothing but a function execute during the response cycle in Express. Basically, whenever the request is from or whenever the request is sent from the front end or the file, then this middleware handles that request and sends it to the backend or the database. This is the middle one or the intermediate, whatever it called. So this will be used to process the data incoming JSON request and before reaching to the route handlers. So it will pass that JSON data or JSON request. So this is the use of the middleware basically. So what is RESTful API and main HTTPS methods? So a RESTful, yeah, what is called RESTful API follows REST principles to perform CRUD operations from HTTP. So main methods like get, nothing but the read get means, and the post is nothing but to create, put that is nothing but to update the API, and delete removing. So these are the main methods that are used in RESTful APIs basically. So methods in that RESTful API, main HTTP methods. So purpose of NPM and how to manage dependencies. So what is the purpose of NPM? Basically, first of all, NPM means Node Package Manager. As the name itself, it manages the Node packages or the Node modules that are in the our project. So it nothing but installs and manages the third party packages. So what are it called? Dependencies are added using npm install package name. Like we can add the packages by using npm install the package name. We can see that npm word, this the word only that will manages and installs the third party packages. That's the main meaning of that npm. So last question is why it is important to hash passwords in a web application. So Hashing is nothing but a protection to protect our passwords by converting them into secure, irreversible values. Whenever the hackers hack that password kind of thing, no. So in that case, this will be the game changer, I think, because this password is converted or scrambled into a small group of words, nothing but a string value that cannot be irreversible into the password. By using any kind of technology, this hashing is the game changer in the banking systems, like banking systems and payment systems, this kind of thing. So in that way, hashing is very important. Passwords, to hash the passwords, hashing concept is very important because even if the database is compromised, original passwords cannot be easily retrieved. So I think this will be the huge use of that hash passwords in our web application. So I think the questions are over. Yes, the 8 questions of the interview of Node.js over for the 401 capstone assignment. Yes, and thank you for this opportunity. Signing off.